Mga bebe ko, another day, another vlog. So, ayan, let's do a quick fit check muna. Mabilisan to kasi malilate na tayo. So, ayan. Meron akong mat, bag, shoes, taray. Eme lang. Bye! Love you! So, ayan, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Adnec ng 6 o'clock. Time check, it's already, oh my god, 5 minutes to 6. Malapit lang naman siya. So, ayun. I'm gonna meet my mom friends na kasama ko sa walking. And we're going to do HIIT class. Ano ba meaning nun? Yung high interval training, emerald, ganun, something like that. So, yeah, it's my first time to do that. And I am not actually sure if I am ready because it's going to be intense. And my body's not ready for anything crazy right now. But yeah, push. Let's go. I'm here at gate 3. Adnec gate 3. I sit here. Until when?
Till 19 August.
19th of August.
19 August.
Only?
Yeah.
Oh, September
And we
finish.
open from 10 June,
Okay.
19 August. Almost like 2 months and 10 days.
Okay, okay.
So there.
Oh, there's a kids zone that area. Okay. And it's free also.
It's paid. It's paid. The fee is only this table soccer,
Okay.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
gym and running track.
Okay.
6 a.m. morning till 1 a.m.
Okay, so it's huge, guys. We are only open this summer because it's, of course, Al-Ain. Yeah, it's okay.
You
For
survive.
a change. Done for today. Thank you for Salda. Finished. On our way back home. Registration. It's a cute car.
Don't see many of those. Especially not out here.
It's not a really beautiful car style.
Hi guys, I am back in the car. It was pretty exhausting to be honest. It is like, wait, how many of us? 1, 2, wait, I cannot think. I forgot. So ayan, time check, it's 7:16. Nagtambay na ako dito sa labas kasi sobrang pagod ng first. So nagpahinga muna ako bago ako umuwi at harapin na naman ang mga gawaing bahay. But yeah, anyway, ayan, empty na ang parking. Ako na lang nandito. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi nag-focus lang kami doon sa workout. And kanina nung anong tawag dito, habang gusto ko nang mag-video, nag-full naman yung phone ko. Kaya ngayon, mega delete ang first. So nakakaloka. But anyway, it is what it is. Alis na tayo mga bebe ko. Hinahanap ko lang kung saan yung labasan. Pwede dito, pwede naman doon sa likod. Pero parang gusto kong gayahin yung ginawa ng babae doon siya sa likod dumaan. Tama ba? Or dito na lang. Eme. Ayun. Magkape ako dito sa car mamaya pagdating ko doon sa parking. Kasi gusto kong mag-edit-delete muna tas bago ako pumasok sa bahay. Kasi for sure, baby girl will Mama, I'm hungry, Mama. Make me this, make me that. Ganon siya. Or do something, ganon. Pero kailangan ko din umuwi. Mga 8, nandun na ako sa loob ng bahay. Pero push ko muna ang mag-cellphone doon sa sa parking. Malapit lang naman yung bahay namin. Dyan lang. Oh. So yeah. Drive mode muna ang person. See you later mga bebe ko. Bye. Ang dami na agad cars kasi. Tawag dito, I think katatapos lang nung sa mosque. Pero yeah. Drive mode. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Malapit naman ako sa bahay, guys. Iniisip ko kung anong lulutuin ko. Actually, meron akong naka-ready for adobo, kaya lang it will take time kahit naka-marinate na. Pero push. Laban. kung kailan nakarating na ako sa bahay, kaya saka ako nang hinamang. For some reason, nagpo-full na talaga siya at hindi na talaga kaya ng powers niya, nakakaloka. But anyway, let's have some coffee guys, hanggang sa mag-full na naman at titigil na naman tong vlog na to. Kainis. Very minimal lang nga yung mga uploads ko na eh.